back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a fundamental skill in GIS. It's called georeferencing. So this technique allows you to align scan map or images with real-world geographic coordinates, making them usable within a GIS project. If you work with the historical maps, satellite imagery, or even survey drawings, georeferencing is must-have skill. So let's go. What is georeferencing and why is it important? So in simple words, georeferencing is the process of assigning a real world coordinates to an image or a map. So this enables the map to be integrated with other GIS data. Imagine you have a historical map that allows land use a century ago. To compare it to today's landscape, we need to align it with current maps in a GIS environment. So georeferencing makes that possible. Uh, in simple words, aligning scan images with real world coordinates. So let's go to our screen and see how georeferencer tool work. So first look at this image. This is the Google imagery. Look at these points. There are 7 points which is my area of interest. And look at this point. This is the KML file. There is also a 7 points which is a vector layer. So this is the original coordinates where the exact place which is shows in image, this one, but this image is away from the actual place. So for this we used georeference. So first I will remove this layer and we should start from the beginning. So remove this one and remove this one. I will show you later how to download this image. So go to this data source manager. First I will import the vector layer which is KMZ Rajanpur area points. It have 7 points which is my area of interest. Click on add. Yes, add layers. Okay, now select the raster which is already selected, but for better understanding I will again select it. This is the my area of interest, Rahim Yar Khan Google imagery 2. Okay, now add and close this one. Now look at this point. This is the 7 points and this is the image. So how we will assign these points to these points and align an image and show this image on the actual place. So for this go to layer, find the georeferencer, click on it. Okay, so open raster image and select this image, click OK. So now all points are assigned. Now click on this play button, start georeferencing. Okay, please set the output file name where the file is saved. Yes. Transformation type, leave as it is. Targeted CRS is a EPSG4326. Okay, so output file is set the path. Okay, correct. Save compression, leave as it is. Nearest neighbor. Okay. Mm, okay. Click on OK. If this option is selected, so please unselect. Click OK. The georeferencer. Okay, so now georeferencing is started. Disable this one. Click on this, which is georeferenced layer. Click on zoom to layer. Now look at this. Now the image is aligned on its exact position. This is the original one, which is before referencing. Click on zoom to layer, and this is the original location. Look at this. Click zoom to layer. Now if you want to digitize this area, so you can do this. In our coming tutorial, we also discussed digitization. So for now, I hope you guys are understanding how to do a georeferencing. Okay, so this one is correct, and we need to export this layer, save as Rahim Yar Khan referenced Geo Referenced layer. Click OK. Save. It's up to you which format you want to save. So for me, GeoTIFF is fine, and click the OK button. So that's it. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials and leave any questions in the comment below. See you in the next video and happy mapping.